Okay, my name is Sue Burrows. I live in Barking. I entered pen to print because I've always wanted to be a writer. My husband saw the advert in the newspaper, so I went along. There was a lot of people there, and I thought, well, you know, I'll give it a go because this is what I really want to do, but I lacked the confidence that I'd achieve my goal. In the process of pen to print, I've gained a lot more confidence in my writing. I was mentored by Barbara Nadell, who's a crime novelist, and she went through my manuscript a few times and we had several meetings. Because my book is a horror book, and so I started off, we entered 2,500 words, and then there was the horrible time when you're waiting to see if you get an email with anything positive. And it's the first time that I've actually achieved anything with my writing. It's always basically me writing at home. Had been submitting to agents another book, which wasn't actually going anywhere. And it was the first thing that came back at me that someone thought my writing was good, which was great. So then I was paired up with Barbara. We had several meetings, and I feel that my writing got a lot better. I met some of the other shortlisted people, and we all compared stories. And it's the first step of getting to where we want to be, which is published. Writing is a very difficult thing to get into, to actually make some sort of success. So you have to enter as many things as you can. Now with pen to print, it's the only local one I've ever seen, and I've got friends living all over the country, and they are so jealous they've not had anything like this at all. So it's a great thing to do, but you have to really work hard at it. Don't just write one thing, send it off. You've got to edit, edit, edit until you think it is perfect.